I also installed an add-on, the $50 Hai fuse, that will take infusion tablets and dissolve them into your shower experience. Installing the fuse is really easy. You start by unscrewing the bottom of the hose, or just hold off on attaching the hose if you're still installing the shower head. Then you'll take the fuse and hold it from the bottom and screw it on just a little bit. From there, you'll grab an Allen wrench that comes with the kit, or in my case, an iFixit screwdriver just because it's easier to use. Continue to turn until you feel it lock, and you're done. Then screw the hose to the bottom. To use it, insert a tablet into this container, then place it on the fuse. You'll find 3 positions. The first is unlocked, the second is locked in place but not active. When you're ready during the shower, twist to the 3rd position and the container will fill up with water and start dissolving the tablet.